Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about tourism in Jamaica. We're actually driving through Falmouth today, and it has a Falmouth cruise ship pier, and that's the number one um, cruise ship pier in the Caribbean, not just Jamaica, the entire Caribbean, and one of the nicest in the world. Now, Falmouth is basically slowly becoming a tourist town. But have you guys ever stopped to wonder why Jamaica is doing so well in tourism? Why so many more people are coming to Jamaica? Now, it's good that the hotels are being built to accommodate this increase in people coming to Jamaica. And I have to say, the Ministry of Tourism is a big part as to why so many tourists are coming to Jamaica. The Minister of Tourism is doing an excellent job. He is everywhere promoting tourism in Jamaica, expanding the industry. And today we're going to talk about one particular aspect of what the Ministry of Tourism is doing. And it is working. Why we're seeing this sudden jump in the number of tourists coming to Jamaica. Remember, Jamaica always had hotels, the beaches are new, the Sangster International Airport was always there, and we always got tourists. But the Ministry of Tourism is doing something that is paying dividends, basically. They are advertising online and going digital. Now, it's paying off, and they're also setting up the system so that when somebody searches for Jamaica, they can book the ticket right away. Now, as we said in other videos, the one thing that is holding back the tourist industry in Jamaica from becoming the number one in the Caribbean is flights coming to Jamaica. So you go online. Let's give you some numbers. A year ago, 250 million tourists searched for travel to Jamaica, for Jamaica basically as a destination. That number has now increased to 850 million searches for Jamaica. And that is one of the reasons is the tourist board or the Ministry of Tourism is now advertising online. You don't see it in Jamaica because we are already here, so there's no reason to advertise here. But in the major tourist markets, the USA, Canada, and the UK, that is where they are running the ads, and it's working. More tourists are coming to Jamaica than ever before. In January and February this year, over 1 million tourists came to Jamaica. That is a record. Never before have so many people visited Jamaica in January and February. And if they continue on that track, the numbers are going to be record numbers by the end of the year. So more people are coming to Jamaica today than ever before. And we have to give credit to the Minister of Tourism and the Ministry of Tourism. You have to keep up to date with what's going on in the world. You have to be using the latest technology. And that is what they did, advertising online and through social media, and it is working. Alright guys, let us know what you think about the job that the Ministry of Tourism is doing. And also another major pull, and maybe the tourist numbers have something to do with this, is the Bob Marley movie that's out there. And Bob Marley is a superstar when it comes on to reggae music. So the name Bob Marley and reggae music does put Jamaica over the edge when it comes on to other Caribbean countries, because Bob Marley is Jamaican. Everybody associates Bob Marley with Jamaica. That is why sometimes it's hard to believe we don't have an airport named after Bob Marley. We don't have a highway named after Bob Marley. Yet everybody's using the Bob Marley name to promote Jamaica outside of Jamaica. The movie that recently came out is doing extremely well. And it is going to bring more tourists to Jamaica. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.